Hello, so today we are going to make a smoothie since it's the fall. We're thinking a pumpkin spice smoothie. So James, you like it? You want to help mommy?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Let's do it. So here's what you're going to need. 1 to 2 bananas. We also got some organic coconut, vanilla, frozen yogurt, pumpkin applesauce, protein powder, almond milk, and then some spices.
Yes.
Yeah. Cinnamon, nutmeg. I got these bins from Home Goods. They're actually really affordable. I think these ones were like $4.99. The egg one was like $3.99. So you can pretty much like organize your entire fridge for under $40. Woo. So I try to drink a protein shake after my workouts. Protein shakes are very important if you are trying to build muscle because they do have over 20 grams of protein. So it is important to try to get it in if you can. And they can get kind of boring, so I do like to switch it up. That's why I did this holiday one, the pumpkin spice smoothie. And yeah, I love it, James loves it, so it's definitely worth a try if you're wanting to switch it up, if you're getting bored of your protein shakes.